Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films. Today I'm going to be showing you another Magix Vegas Pro 16 tutorial, and this is going to be part of the awesome special effects category, and it's how to make a fake gun firing effect. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a video of what we're going to be doing. And that's what we're going to be learning today. So first things first, you're going to want to record yourself holding something and then making a firing motion like it's giving some kick. And I'm going to be using this clip right here. We're going to make it look like that Nintendo 64 controller is a gun. So, in the description below, there's a link to download the special effects pack I have. What we're going to be using for this is a muzzle flash, which you can find those free all across the internet. I provided one that I found, it's royalty free, so I'm giving that to you guys as well. And then a gunshot effect, which you can also Google search for and find for free as well. But both of those are provided in the pack and the link in the description. So first thing is, we want to right click on the video track and insert a new video track, and I'm going to drag in my muzzle flash. So this muzzle flash, there's a couple different ways of doing this. So you can get a muzzle flash video with an alpha background that you can program out. It's kind of like green screening, but a little bit better. So the muzzle flash I provided has an alpha channel. So if you right click on that, go to properties, and then you go to media, go down to alpha channel, and then click straight unmatted. Hit OK, and all of a sudden the background's gone, which is perfect. So what we're going to do is slowly go through this clip and find the point right when I pull back and making it look like it's firing. Right there. Perfect. That's where the muzzle flash is going to go. That's also where we're going to split the clip. We're going to be resizing this too, so let's open up the pan and crop tool. And then inside here, we are going to make sure the aspect ratio is locked and the size about center is locked. Let's scroll out a little bit, drag this down to about the size you want it to be. Then we're going to rotate it. Right about there looks pretty good. And then we're going to drag it into place. That looks pretty good. So the muzzle flash I have downloaded is for an automatic gun, so we're going to see a few extra ones, but let's just see what it looks like right now. That looks pretty good. So we're going to delete the rest of them though. So we keyframe, 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 and about right there. Split it, delete it. Now let's see what this looks like. Perfect. So right off the bat, it doesn't look really realistic because the lighting's completely different. Normally with muzzle flashes, you don't see this much detail in here, this much black borders. So the first thing we want to do is brighten it. So we go to brightness and contrast and drag in the default. We can start adjusting it. Now I made a preset for it already that looks really good to me, which we're just increasing the brightness to 400 or 0.4. That looks a lot more realistic because the human eye can't see the details of a muzzle flash. So next thing is drag in the gunshot effect that we have. And let's zoom in. We want the sound to go off right when the fire technically is going to happen. It's right about there. So let's see what that sounds like. Pretty good. Slow motion. Not bad. So the next thing is we want to add some brightness to the main shot itself. Normally when somebody fires a gun, they're usually blinking, but if your eyes stay open, you'll notice that the flash actually produces kind of like a camera flash too, because it's an immediate bright flash that you're not really ready for. So if we select the beginning of the shot and then go to the end of the shot, cut the clip, we're going to add some brightness to this shot. So let's drag on the default to our video track, and then we're going to animate it. We're not going to add a ton of brightness, but we are going to add a little bit. So let's click the little animation tool, click your keyframes just so we know which ones we're going to start on down here. Let's drag that up. I found that 0.05 is a really good brightness for the flash. And we'll drag our marker to the very end, and then we'll bring that back down to 0. So let's see what that looks like. That looks pretty good to me. One more thing before we end, I am going to show you if you download a muzzle flash without an alpha channel, then you're going to have to key it out. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to right click on here, go to properties, and bring this back to none so it's black. And then what we want to do is go to chroma keyer, drag the default onto it, and then we're going to select this blue, and then we're going to select the eyedropper so we can select which color we want to key out, and let's just do this black right here. Okay, so it's not really looking blurred out that much. So to fix that, you want to actually bring your low threshold up, and you want to end it right when the square disappears entirely. So right about there. So we still see there's a little black border around here. What we can do is hit this blur amount, just bring it up just a hair. And there we go. That reduces it, but you're going to see it fades a little bit of this, which actually kind of looks pretty cool to me. But if you don't want that, then you drag the high threshold down, and it starts bringing the edges back. But if you bring it too low, you're going to start seeing some black around that. So right about here looks pretty good to me. So, even without an alpha channel muzzle flash, we still achieved the same effect. And so there you have it. That is the basics on how to make anything look like it's firing like a gun. Hey everyone, thanks for watching that video. If that helped you out at all, or if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.